Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at two GaNPrime chargers. This is the Anker 737 and the 735 charger. So this one will go up to 65 watts and this other one up to 120. So they both have Power IQ 4, two USB-C and one USB-A. So this is compatible with Apple and Samsung devices on both of them. This is the Series 7. So let's get on. Okay guys, so I brought a power plug so we could plug them in. So this is how they look like, and that's the difference in size. So they both have Anker Prime on it. They look exactly the same. It's just this is smaller, more portable, and you see they show you which one to use for the laptop, and then nothing on the other side. They look like this. This is the UK plug. So yeah, I would think they're very beautiful. They're well made. This is proper strong, no creaks, no nothing, and they have a bit of weight on them as well. So yeah, I really like it. So nice. So let's take this out and give them a test. Okay, so I brought some cables. That's maximum 140, so that's 120. So let's try this first. So we'll plug that in there and let's see if we can charge a laptop. So that in, and let's see if we can actually charge this laptop we have in here. Interesting, nothing yet. Let's see if we use one of these adapters, see if it gets any electricity. Maybe something happens with that. No, it does get. But interestingly, we won't charge it for some reason. You know, that USB-C on that laptop, it caused me problems before. So we'll use a different laptop, and I'm pretty sure that will work just fine. So as you can see, it's charging. It shows obviously one thing is, like, if the laptop is fully charged, obviously it's not going to show much, but as you can see, it shows about 27. It should be normally about 40, but because it's fully charged, it's just maintaining a bit of charge on it until it fully charges. So yeah, 24 watts. Let's see if we can try something else. So we'll try with a power bank, and we actually have this power bank from Anker, the 27,650, I think it is. And let's see if it's reaching 100. Okay, nice one. So 90, we have 95, which actually shows 97 on this. Looks like it's 96 now on the other one. So yeah, it's charging pretty well. This one I think will charge with about around 100. It won't charge with more than that. But there you have it. So it's charging this without any problems. Can we charge something else? Of course we should. So let's try and charge. I'll try and charge another power bank, why not? So we'll just plug this in. And let's see. Obviously that's 120, so there's only 20 left to work with. Let's see if this changes. Yeah, so now it's kind of changing, so it's like about 58, almost 60, and then that's 54, so almost 100, and what was that, 112, something like that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Now let's unplug and let's try with the other one. So we'll put the bigger power bank on this port and then the other one on that, and then we'll plug this in and let's see what measurements we get. So we have 27, 30, so it should be about 65, so that's about right. Not right, but like it's 60. Was that 60? That 5, maybe it's allocated to the USB-A port, you know. So yeah, I'm happy with this. It's charging perfectly fine. What is this meter saying? 29, I think. 28, 29. And this one, it shows the same. 30. Yeah, 30, 31. So yeah, that's really cool actually. So you can definitely charge a laptop with both of them, because this one gives you up to 65, so you're more than happy, and the difference is huge. Look how small is this, and imagine the power brick on a laptop. It's definitely at least that, plus the cable, plus the, yeah, where you can only have this with a little charging cable. The charging cable is very important as well, because without a good charging cable you won't be able to achieve a higher wattage. So yeah, really like these, really good quality, and they charge really well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you for watching.